Today's exercise is called exposure lift twists, and you're gonna need a prop. It doesn't have to be a ball, it can be anything that you can hold with two hands, okay? So once you get that item, you're gonna come into the center of the line and you're gonna get into explore pose. Explore pose looks like this. First progression is working with our twists. So you wanna take the item, whatever it may be, hold it with both hands. You're gonna rotate until your chest faces the anchor point towards the right. You're gonna rotate till your chest faces the anchor point towards the left, and then come back. Boom. That's one. We're gonna do that 10 times on this side, 10 times on the other. One more time. Holding it out in front of you, rotating to the right till the chest faces the anchor point, coming back, rotating to the left till the chest faces the anchor point, coming back. That's two. Gonna go ahead and skip doing it 10 times. You can do that on your own. Show you what it looks like on the other side. Reaching out, holding the item, rotating to the left, chest facing the anchor point, coming back, rotating to the right, chest facing or close to the anchor point, coming back. That's one. One more example. Rotate, rotate, come back. That's two. Progression one, 10 times on both sides. Now we're gonna move on. Wait, progression two, yeah. Moving on, progression two, getting back into explore. Progression one was the lift, or progression one was the twist. Progression two is going to be the lifts. Holding the item in front of you, lifting it above your head, coming down, touching the line, coming back up. That's one. Coming up, down to touch the line, back to the center. That's two. You're going to do that 10 times on this side, switch sides, and do it 10 times on the other side. Items in front of you, lifting it above your head. If you can, straight arms all the way above, then all the way down to touch the item to the line. Back to center. That's one. All the way up, all the way down, back to center. That's two. And we're gonna do it on the other side. Keep it even. This is the lifts. All the way up, all the way down, touch the line, back to center. All the way up, all the way down, touch the line, back to center. 10 times, both sides. Okay, now we're gonna move on to progression three. As you know, we like to combine the things. So we're gonna do progression one and progression two all in one. Coming back into explore, twist, lifts. So hold the item in front of you, twist, twist the other way, lift, come down, touch the line, back to center. That's one. You do that 10 times on both sides. Another example, twist, twist, lift, and lower, touch the line, back to center. That's two. Other side. There's a little fancy way to switch sides without coming off the line. And moving on, twist. It's easier to twist towards the knee and get the chest facing the anchor point. Twisting the other way to get the chest facing the anchor point is a little harder. Moving slow, getting the chest as close to it as you can. Coming back, lifting, extending, dropping it down, touching the line, boom, back to center. One more example. Twist. Twists, lift, and lower. There you go, 10 times on each side, folks. Progressions 1, 2, and 3. Explore, twist, lifts. Till next time, peace.